In this video, you will get to know how to merge multiple PDFs into one PDF with SysTools PDF Split and Merge. Let's check out the main feature. It is an offline PDF merging software can fastly merge multiple PDF files using batch processing. The tool merges PDF files in two ways: merge in existing PDF or create a new PDF file after joining the provided PDF documents. It also provides the option to merge PDF files by their specific page ranges, provided by the user. Suppose your PDF gets too heavy after joining, then you can split merged PDF by size option provided in the software. Users have the option to skip the attachment files during the merging process. Let's start the video. Go to the Google and enter SysTools PDF Split and Merge. Click on the link shown on your screen. Then click on the download button. This tool is for Windows and Mac both. Choose as per your convenience. Then download and install the software. This is an interface of the software. Tool provides you some options: split, merge, skip, attachment. Select the merge option, then click on add file button. Select the PDF, then hit open. You can enter the password of a particular PDF in the password, optional. If you want to remove the PDF after importing, then click on the remove button to remove the single file, and remove all button to remove all the PDF. Now after loading the data, click on the next button to proceed. This window comes with two options: split merge PDF by size and merge PDF by page range. The tool provides options to merge PDF files into a new PDF file or an existing PDF file. I am moving forward with create new PDF. Hit on the browse button and select the destination. Then hit OK and select merge. Hit OK. Now let's check out the output.
And that's it. Hope you enjoy the video. Log on to the given product page for more details on purchasing the product. For any query, mail us at support@systoolsgroup.com. Thank you for watching.